Suspected Katlehong CEO rapist trap here, and SAMA concerned about closure of labs. I'm Lebo Changela with this news update. A suspected serial rapist is appearing today in the Alberton Magistrates Court, southeast of Johannesburg, on 33 rape charges and 33 attempted murder charges. The magistrate has ordered the media not to mention or publish the suspect's name because of the sensitivity of the case. The suspect has been positively identified by several victims. He was previously convicted of rape and sent to jail. He allegedly lured his victims into an open field in Katlehong. Paul Magubani reports on other court cases.
3 men and a woman are to appear in the Vereeniging Magistrates Court for allegedly killing a Walkerville family. Geraldine Viana, her husband Tony, and son Amaro were shot dead in their house in Walkerville, south of Johannesburg, in October last year. The young lady was arrested with her boyfriend last year, but was only charged after investigations. Meanwhile, a 13-year-old boy accused of poisoning his mother in Soweto. It's alleged that the boy poured a poisonous substance into his mother's tea after his parents accused him of stealing 700 rand. Pulma Kubane, SABC News, Johannesburg.
The South African Medical Association has expressed serious concern about the closure of a number of health laboratories in Gauteng and KwaZulu-Natal. The National Health Laboratory Service says it's owed money by the provincial government. SAMA Chairman Dr. Noma Mabasa says the lab closures place immense pressure on doctors in the execution of their duties and directly affecting health care of patients. He says the lives of patients cannot be compromised as a result of the lab closures.
If you do not have laboratory services at the hospital, it's like putting residents in a particular locality without water. If you take health workers and put them in an institution and you deprive them of one of the most essential tools in management for a patient in terms of examination, diagnosis and treatment, and the information being provided by the results of laboratory services, you have now deprived the people who must be treated of their tool to identify what to treat.
The South African Depression and Anxiety Group has joined forces with social networking site Facebook, giving users a direct link to online help from counselors. The launch of this partnership coincides with a Teen Suicide Prevention Week from the 12th to the 19th of February. SADC spokesperson Janine Shaman says they hope to encourage Facebook users needing counselors to contact them night or day.
We have a lot of people who suffer needlessly and silently with depression, with anxiety, who may be feeling suicidal and don't necessarily know that they can get help for their problem or don't know where to go for the problem. So logging on and connecting with Facebook is hopefully going to allow us to reach more people and let them know that there is hope and there is help out there.
And classes at the University of KwaZulu-Natal's Westville campus have resumed. Students had embarked on a protest with grievances mainly around accommodation and financial aid. Student protests at the Mangosuthu University of Technology in Umlazi and the Durban University of Technology have also intensified over the last few days. 6 people were arrested for public violence after 3 vehicles were damaged at DUT on Thursday. UKZN spokesperson Nomo Ndembadi says the university held meeting with the student body last night and positive resolutions have been made.
The Westville campus of the University of KwaZulu-Natal is operating normally today, which means the academic program is continuing as normal. Several meetings were held last night, and in one of the meetings it was then a decision was taken to suspend the student protest. The other campuses were never affected. It was only the Westville campus that was affected. There weren't any new grievances. The issues that they raised were issues that they had raised previously, and they knew exactly what the university's standpoint was regarding those issues.